When a product is being developed, there are many cases where a part is interchanged with another. For example, there may be multiple vendors supplying similar, acceptable parts. Also, in case of a shortage, acceptable replacement parts might be available, which are designated for use in manufacturing. These parts typically have a very similar fit and form, and they have the same function. In Teamcenter, these interchangeable parts are categorized under two types: global alternates and substitutes. A global alternate, also referred to as an alternate, is a part that can be interchanged with another part under all circumstances. This is irrespective of where the other part is used in the product structure. Alternates are not specific to a variant or a product. In contrast, a substitute is a part that can be interchanged with an occurrence of another part in a single assembly. Let's understand what alternates are in Teamcenter, using an example. Consider a halogen bulb that is used in several assemblies across products. You can specify an LED bulb as an alternate for the halogen bulb. This means that the LED bulb can be used in place of the halogen bulb in all assemblies and products. Here are some points worth remembering when you use or specify alternates for a part. If you reuse a part in a different assembly, the alternates of the part are carried over. The relationship of parts to their alternates is unidirectional. For example, the LED bulb is an alternate for the halogen bulb. However, the halogen bulb does not automatically become an alternate for the LED bulb. One part can serve as an alternate for multiple parts. For example, the LED bulb can be an alternate for the halogen bulb and for the xenon bulb. Alternate relationships are not shared. For example, even though the LED bulb serves as an alternate for both the xenon and halogen bulbs, the xenon bulb does not become an alternate for the halogen bulb as a result. Alternates also do not have a chain relationship. For example, the LED bulb is an alternate for the halogen bulb, while the xenon bulb is an alternate for the LED bulb. However, the xenon bulb does not automatically become an alternate for the halogen bulb. Now, let's understand substitutes. The product crosscut has a lighting assembly that uses the halogen bulb by default. You set the xenon bulb as a substitute for the halogen bulb in the lighting assembly. To reiterate, a substitute can be used in place of another part but only in a specific assembly. Therefore, you cannot use the xenon bulb in place of the halogen bulb in an assembly other than the lighting assembly. Here are some points worth remembering when you use or specify substitutes for a part. You can add multiple substitutes for an occurrence of a part. All substitutes defined for an occurrence share the same occurrence attributes. To summarize, alternates and substitutes are used to manage the interchangeability of parts in a system. Use alternates to specify parts that are interchangeable in any assembly. Use substitutes to specify parts that are interchangeable only in a specific assembly.